Okay, we have all been there. You ask an AI for something, something you think is simple, and what you get back is, well, it's generic, it's totally unfocused, and honestly, it's just a waste of time. So today, we're going to fix that. We're going to learn how to turn those vague, frustrating requests into vivid, perfect results. Right? Does this look familiar? You type in a request, you hit enter, and you get back something completely and utterly useless. It is one of the biggest frustrations with these amazing tools. But what if I told you the problem isn't the AI? What if the problem is us? All right, look at this. On the one hand, you've got write about AI. I mean, what does that even mean? It's no wonder the result is a generic mess. But then, look at the other side, a prompt that is specific, structured, and packed with context. The difference is it's night and day, and it all boils down to one simple, powerful idea. And this is it. It's called the clear instructions principle. This is the secret sauce, the fundamental concept that separates a frustrating AI experience from an incredibly productive one. It's really all about swapping out that ambiguity for crystal clear precision.
So what are we actually talking about here? Well, it's pretty straightforward. It means you have to spell it out. Tell the AI exactly what you want it to do, how you want it done, and even what the final product should look like. An AI is not a mind reader, It's an incredibly powerful engine, but it needs a detailed blueprint from you to build anything worthwhile.
Think of it like this, right? It's like giving someone driving directions. If you just say, head towards downtown, who knows where they'll end up? They'll probably get lost. But if you say, drive north on Main Street for 2 miles, then take a right on Oak Avenue. It's the third house on the left with the blue door. Bam! They're going to get there every single time. Your prompts need to be that specific.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This isn't just a feeling. We're talking hard data. Research from the big players, OpenAI and Google, shows that using clear instructions boosts task accuracy by 40 to 60%. That's not a small bump. That is a massive, game-changing leap in performance, just from changing how you ask.
So, why is this so hard for us then? Well, it's just human nature, really. We're used to talking to other people. We assume the AI has context, that it knows what we're thinking. We use our casual conversational habits. We don't really structure our requests. And sometimes, if we're being honest, we haven't even figured out exactly what we want ourselves. To get great results, we've got to break these old habits.
Now, the good news is there's a really straightforward way to do this. There's a formula. Think of it as your blueprint for crafting the perfect prompt every single time.
And here it is, 5 simple steps. First, you define the role. Tell it, you are a data analyst. This gets the AI in the right mindset. Second, state the task. Use a strong action verb like analyze this or create that. Third, list your requirements. Get super specific about the tone, the length, what to include, what to leave out. Fourth, define the output format. Do you want a table, JSON, a simple list? And finally, step 5, add a clear action instruction. Something simple like begin now.
Okay, theory's great, but let's get to the fun part. Let's see the proof. I'm about to show you just how powerful this 5-step formula is by transforming some totally useless prompts into incredibly usable results across a few different areas.
Just look at this transformation. That vague, write about AI becomes this detailed, actionable request for a technical writer. Make a function becomes a precise set of instructions for a Python developer. And look at this data, well, that becomes a structured analysis task for a data analyst. You can see it, right? We've applied our 5-step formula to every single one.
And the results? They are absolutely staggering. With clear instructions, the relevance of the output just skyrockets, from a mediocre 40% to an incredible 95%. For something like writing code, functionality goes from a basically useless 10% to a perfect 100%. And for data analysis, how actionable the insights are jumps from 10% all the way up to 95%. I mean, come on, the numbers just don't lie.
So here's the bottom line. Learning to write clear instructions isn't just a nifty trick, it's a superpower. It literally gives you direct control over these incredibly powerful models. So let's just recap the key takeaways you can start using right now.
Here it is, your cheat sheet. Always, always start by giving the AI a role. Be brutally explicit about your requirements and the format you want. If it's a complex task, break it down into numbered steps. And don't be afraid to tell it what not to do, that's a huge one. And then always wrap it up with a clear command to get started.
If you remember just one thing today, please let it be this. Vague prompts get vague results.
Specific prompts get specific results. It is the fundamental law of working with AI, period.
So I'm going to leave you with this question. You now have the blueprint. You have the formula to get exactly what you want from any AI. The only limit, really, is the clarity of your own instructions. So, what are you going to ask for first?